Life is dynamic and it will make us to go through some rough phases. There will be times when you don't want to wake up in the morning, and there will be the times when you don't feel happy. You will feel tired and nothing will interest you. But we know very well that what is good or bad for us. But in that rough phase, in those challenging times, it takes a lot to perform or act in consonance with your goals, to achieve your goals. We know that only a bunch of people are able to materialize their goals, to actualize their goals. So, what different they have inside them? And the answer is habits. They have invested their time and energy in developing the right kinds of habit. The habits which are in consonance with their dreams, with their goals. These people have high productivity and efficiency, and this frequency of feeling low is very less in them. Because habits are such a driving force that will guide you consciously and subconsciously if you have developed them. If you consciously choose a habit and consistently perform it, then it will be like a strong steel chain which cannot be broken. Initially, when we start or we develop any habit, it is like a weak thread. It can be broken very easily. To make it strong, you have to perform it, you have to do it on daily basis consistently. And the most challenging thing is that initially, when you will go for developing a habit, the habit which is for achieving your life goals, then initially your brain, your mind, the character that you have developed from the last past many years, it will reject it. It will not accept it because this is something which is alien to them. They have never performed such kind of activities, such routine in a consistent manner. So, what you have to do, you have to consciously go for this. That yes, I am the owner of my mind, of my heart, of my brain, of my consciousness. I am the person who own all these things. And then, whether you are able to perform these habits which are in consonance with your goals, which are the must to do things to achieve your goals, it's only depend upon your willpower, the the strongness of your character and your urgency to achieve a goal. So I will sum up this session with by this quote: habits start as weak threads till they become chains too strong to be broken. You have to perform them consistently, and you don't need to get eager for results. If you are on a right track, results will be there. Believe it. You can do this.